Today we'll see completion of series type questions of verbal intelligence test, which is part of many competitive exams like CSET, Railways, SSC, Bank, SSB, etc. These questions are very simple, provided you know the how to establish pattern in the series. So we'll see certain solved examples and little bit of theoretical knowledge. Now we'll see the types of series first. Now, if you see, there are actually three types of series: arithmetic, geometric, and combination. In arithmetic series, the numbers vary from each other either by addition or subtraction. Like here, you can find each number is varying from previous number by +2. So this is kind of arithmetic series. Then let's see the geometric series. Here the numbers they vary by certain multiplications or divisions. So in the second series you can note that numbers are varying from each other by actually multiplication of 2. Each are multiples of 2 actually. So now I'll remove the markings and I'll explain you the third type. In the exam, most of the time you'll not be given such types of simple series, you'll be given a combination series. In the combination series, what they do is they will take first number from, say for example from here, then they take two numbers from down below, 2, 4, then they take another number from top, 5, then again they take two numbers from below. So like that they mix up the series and give you to find the answer. So this is sometimes slightly confusing, but if you are able to segregate the series involved, then you will be able to find the solution very easily. Now we'll see some solved examples. Let's see first example. The first example is 5 3 6 9 8 27, and these are the two missing terms we are supposed to find, and these are our options given, and answer is option B, 11 and 81. So now we'll see how we come to this option of 11 and 81. Now we'll see the answer here. Now see the series carefully. 5 3 6 9 8. So it is not in actually fixed pattern. The difference is not constant. 5 and 3 difference is 2. 3 and 6 difference is, here difference is 3. Then 6 and 9 difference is 3. 9 and 8 difference is -1. But if you see the alternate terms, they are in a definite pattern like 3, 9, 27. This is all multiples of 3 actually. So if you have to find out last number, it will be 27 into 3. Like 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. And then 27 into 3 is 81. So this is how our term comes here. Now see the first series. 5, 6, 8. So 5 and 6 difference is 1. 6 and 8 difference is 2. So if you add 3 here, 8 and 3, this becomes our second term. So hope it is clear. I'll now erase the markings so that you see the answer yourself, and in case you have any doubts or question, you can put it in the comment box. So now we'll see the next question now. Now next series is 81, 27, 9 and 3, and the options are A, B, C, D, and option B, 1 is the answer. Now we'll see how we have come to this answer. Now if you see the series carefully, it is a geometric series in multiples of 3 actually, all of them are. So it is the numbers are reducing, so that means they are getting divided. So 81 divided by 3, you get 27. Now 27 divided by 3, you get 9. Now 9 divided by 3, you get 3. So when you divide 3 by 3, you get 1, and this is our answer. So hope it is clear. I'll erase the marking so that you understand the answer. So now we'll go to the next question. Now Again you can see a series. This series is very long, so it is a combination series. Numbers are 9, 5, 6, 8 and so on, and here we have options, and answer is option C, that is 4. 4 is our missing term. So we'll see how we have arrived to this option. Now if you see this series carefully, 9, 5, 6, 8, directly it is not making any pattern. So alternate numbers also, it is not making any patterns. But if you see the numbers after every third term, they are in a certain pattern, like 9, 8, 7. 9, 8, 7, all are actually reducing by 1. Then the second series is 5, then second one is 5, 4, 3. So here again numbers are reducing by 1. So if you see the third series, 6, 5, 4. So 6, 5, this number is not given, this we are supposed to find out. So if it is 6 and 5, so obviously if you reduce 1 it will be 4, and this is our answer. So this series is very tough and very confusing, but if you establish the pattern, then it is very simple. So you can see the answer now yourself and understand. So now we go to next question. Now next question series is actually very small. Numbers are not many, so it is a pure series, 1, 4, 9, 16. These are the options, and answer is option A, 25. Now we'll see how we have come to this answer. Now if you see the series carefully, 1, 4, 9, 16, they are all actually squares. Like this number 1 is a square of 1. The next number 4 is square of 2. Then next number 9 is square of 3. 16 is square of 4. When I say square, that means same number is getting multiplied by same number. 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4. So we established a pattern that numbers are squares of 1, 2, 3, 4. So next number is actually has to be 5. 5, and 5 ka square will be 5 into 5, 25. So 25 is the answer. So this is how I worked it out. I'll remove the marking so that you see the answer clearly. So hope it is clear. So far so good. We have learned 2-3 things. One is the types of series. The other one is combination series. Combination series are slightly longer than the pure series. They will have 7 to 8 terms, and normal series will have, pure series will have 3 to 4 terms. And the key lies in establishing the difference pattern of the numbers. 2 consecutive numbers, 2 or 3 consecutive numbers, if you are able to establish the difference, then you can work out the missing number. Now the question is given 2, 5, 6, 9, 10, 13, and there is a missing term here. We have to find out. These are the options, and option D is the answer. So we'll see how we have arrived at this option. Now here again the series is long, so that means it is a mixed up series. So try to establish some pattern here between 2 and 6 and 10. The difference is 4. Then 5, 9, 13, difference is 4. So that means missing term will be 10 plus 4, 14, because everywhere difference is 4 only. And directly if you see the continuous numbers, they are not in same pattern. Like 2 and 5, here difference is 3. 5 and 6, difference is 1. So it is we are not able to establish a pattern. So these are alternate numbers, and alternate numbers we are seeing it very clearly that difference is actually standard and is uniform, and thus our answer is 14. Now I'll erase the markings so that you can read the answer yourself. So now we go to next question. Now sometimes people say that I am slow. I am definitely slow because I am not talking too much about advertisements and subscriptions, etc. My main focus is on the material. So now we'll see the next question. Now in this series the numbers are too many, so that means it is a combination series, and these are all missing terms we have to find out, and these are the options given. The answer is option D, 85 170. Now people will get frightened that very big numbers are appearing, but nothing to worry. It's a very simple task. If you see, now we'll see how we have arrived to this answer. Now if you see the series, you can note one thing very clearly. 8 and 16 is, that means 8 multiplied by 2. 19 and 38, 19 multiplied by 2. 41 and 82, 41 is multiplied by 2. So now we have to find out the difference here, difference here, difference here. So difference in 5 and 3, 5 and 8 is 3. So 5 and so when you add 3 here, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 3 becomes 8, and 8 into 2 is 16. Now 16 plus 3 is 19, 19 into 2, 38. 38 plus 3, 41, 41 into 2 is 82. Now 82 plus 3 is 85, and 85 into 2 is 170. This is what I explained here. So the first term is, in the first term we are adding 3, and then we are multiplying by next term by 2. 3, 2. So hope this answer is clear. I'll remove the marking. Looks very difficult, but it is very simple. Next. Now the series is given. There is a missing term here. Options, and answer is option C, 85. Now we'll see how we have come to this option. And again, don't get frightened by this big number. The question is pretty simple. Now if you see the question, firstly all the numbers are multiples of 5, that means everywhere 5 is appearing. Now see the difference. In 2 terms difference is 10, first 2 terms. Then next 2 terms, 35 and 55, difference is 20. Then 30, so that means initially it was 10, then it became 20. So obviously next one should be 30. So 55 plus 30 if you put, you get 85. Now you can try it out, check it out again. That here it was 10, here it was 20, here it was 30. So if you add 40 here, 85 plus 40, we are getting 125. So that means our answer is correct, and we have established the differences, and the missing number is 85. I'll erase the markings so that you are able to see the solution yourself. Now we go to next question. Now here the questions are, the series is given in the form of a matrix. Now matrix is a very complex mathematical subject, but here again it is not matrix formula we are going to apply. We are going to apply a very simple logic. There is a term missing here, and we have to find out the answer. These are our options, and option A13 is the correct answer. Now how we have come to option A13, we'll see. Now if you see the series carefully, 4 12 36. Now all the numbers are getting multiplied by 3 here in the first row. The second row, 8 16 32, so numbers are getting multiplied by 2. So in the third row, the 13 13, so that means multiplication is by 1. So when you multiply 13 by 13, next term is 13. So that's how we arrived our answer, 13. It is explained here. So again a very difficult looking question, but very simple to answer. I'll remove the markings, read the answer yourself, and hope it is clear. Now we see the next question. 7, 12, 19. Then there's a missing number here, 39. And the options are given. Answer is option B, 28. We'll see how we have arrived to this option. Now if you see the series carefully, the numbers are actually differing from each other in a pattern. Like 7 and 12, here difference is 5. 12 and 19, difference is 7. Then 19 and 28, then thereafter 19, thereafter this is a blank number actually. So if you increase the difference in a similar manner and add 9 here to 19, you get the answer 28. This is what actually I shown here. And then you can cross check in this answer 28, you add 11, you get 39, which is our given term. So that means our analogy is correct and we are home down to correct answer. So I'll remove the markings so that you can see the answer yourself and understand it better. Now we go to next question. There is a series given 4, 6, 12 and so on. Options are given and option D, 60 is the answer. Now we'll see how we have come to this answer. Now in this series again, if you see 6 and 12, 14 and 28, they are in a pattern and there is a difference here between 12 and 14 and between 4 and 6. So between 4 and 6 difference is 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 when it is multiplied by 2 it becomes 12 and same cycle is repeated. 12 plus 2, 14 and 14 into 2 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30 and last one 30 into 2 is 60. This is what I explained here. You can see I'll erase the markings so that you can see the answer yourself. So it looks very difficult but it's very simple. Once you establish the difference and the pattern, you will be able to home on to the correct answer very easily. Now next question. Series is given. Again it's a very long series, so it is a mixed series 1, 3, 3, 6, etc. Options are given. Answer is option A, 13. Now we'll see how we have arrived to this option. Now if you see the series carefully, now as I told you that since it is a mix, it's a very long series, so it has to be mixed one. So we'll just see the alternate numbers. 1, 3, 7. So here difference is 2, here difference is 4. And then is the missing number 13. Missing number. So here it is difference was 2, here difference was 4. So here if you increase the difference in similar manner and add 6 to 7, 7 plus 6 becomes 13. This is our answer. Now see the series, second series down below, 3, 6, 9. So this is in multiples of actually. This is in multiples of 3. So straightway, next term is 12, which is given, and this 13 you can further verify if you increase the term the number by 2, like in all other previous terms. Here it is 2, here it is 4, here it is 6. So if we add another 2 here, we are getting 21. So 13 plus 8, 21. That means our answer is correct. So I'll remove the markings and see the calculations yourself. So thank you very much for watching and thanks a lot.